less than that. So therefore, we cannot have anything less than 0, right? Because that'll give us a negative. Negative 1 would give us a negative, right, in the first one. We cannot have anything greater than 2, because if we did, like if we put a 3 in here, right, that would be 2 minus 3. That'd give us a negative. So we have to consider what's in between, right? What's going to be good for both. So that would be what? Closed and closed, right? In between, everything in between, right? So that domain is going to be bracket, 0 to 2, bracket, right? Okay? Alright, anything else?
And what about like this, like I saw this one on the homework too, like x plus 1, square root of x plus 1.
Square root of x plus 1,
Yeah.
same thing.
No, but it's like, and then it says minus 1 over x.
Okay, you had the square, okay, now that one is kind of the same thing with what we have here, okay? Where you have square root of x plus 1, right, over, or no, it was minus, you said?
Minus 1 over x.
Minus 1 over x, okay? Now here, you're going to set x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0, right? And you get x's greater than or equal to negative 1, right? So here's negative 1, okay? Is that open or closed? Closed, right? And that's going to go negative 1, which way, right or left? To the right, to infinity, right? Now this 1 over x.
Does that mean like x equals 0?
Yeah, you said x equal to 0, but you can't have a 0 in the denominator, right? So you have to, in that case, x cannot be 0, right? So now, here's the other number line at 0. And is that going to be open or closed at 0?
Open.
It's going to be open at 0. And we can go to negative infinity one way, positive infinity the other way, right? So, for the first one, at 1, we know we cannot do what? We cannot do what for the first one?
Go less than.
We cannot go less than negative 1, right? So I'll make that negative 1. Cannot go less than negative 1, right?
Yeah.
So that's going to the right. But at 0, we know that we cannot do what at 0?
Have a 0.
We cannot have a 0, right? So that at 0 is going to be open or closed?
Open.
Open. So therefore we can have a solution from negative 1 to 0, but it's open at 0, and then what?
And it goes all the way
Goes
to
to
Then it goes to infinity from there.
So is it negative 1, 0, and then 0 to infinity?
Negative 1, okay, but is that open, a bracket or parentheses?
Bracket.
Bracket to what?
0.
0. Closed like that?
No, the other way.
It's open, right? Okay, good. Then what?
Union.
Union.
0.
And then 0, is that open or closed?
Open.
Open to
Infinity.
infinity.
Open.
Open. Good. Is that a better looking? Open almost looks like a bracket. Okay, so that's our domain. All right?
I think I'm starting to do this.
Yeah. So you're going to need to do these algebraically. Okay? All right. Let's take a look at our practice test and see if we have any questions with that. Okay, first page. This is test 1. All right, number 4. Oh, okay, the plus x plus 1. Okay? And we want to know what that equals. And we know that f of x is equal to 3x squared minus x plus 1, right? So it's like we're taking that f of x and we're cutting out x, right? Cut out the x, put parentheses. Equals 3, again, cut the x out, put parentheses, squared. Minus x, put parentheses, and then plus 1, right? And then inside there, we're going to put the x plus 1, right? So wherever we have parentheses, we put x plus 1 and x plus 1. Okay?
I was going the other way. I was looking at the wrong one. The wrong equation. Like 3x squared minus x plus 1, I was plugging that in instead of f of x plus 1 instead of x plus 1.
Okay.
I got it out of that.
Yeah, the primary equation is the f of x. So it's like you're cutting out
Yeah.
the x, right, from each one of those, and you're going to put parentheses there.
I was cutting out the x for this one.
Yeah, and then you go ahead and simplify it from there. Okay. All right. Okay, what else on that first one?
Could you continue to do
Continue.
that?
Yeah, sure. Okay, now here, can we do x squared 1 plus 1 squared? Can we do that?
No.
No, we can't. Why not? Because of the what?
Addition sign.
Plus, right? But what we can do is put 3 and then x plus 1 times x plus 1, right? We're squaring the quantity of x plus 1. Okay? So that's, and then we can distribute the 3 into the first one. So now what we have here is 3x plus 3, parentheses, x plus 1. And the reason why I do that is because it's easier to go ahead and incorporate 3, distribute the 3 into the first set of parentheses, and then FOIL it, than it would be to FOIL it and then distribute the 3. Okay? So, and then we can distribute the negative here, and that would be negative x minus 1 plus 1, right? Okay, now we can FOIL, right? And so we get 3x times x, that's 3x squared. And then we got 3x, and 3x is going to give us what? 6x, and then 3 times 1 is 3. And we got minus x. And the 1s, what happens to them? They cancel. We can just go ahead and do away with them.
So it's 3x squared plus 5x minus 3.
3x squared plus 5x, right, plus 3. And that's our answer.
Can you back up one? Can you do f of 1 divided by a?
Which one now?
The last one on 3.
Last one on 3.
Yeah.
F of
1 divided by a.
1 divided by a. Okay. Go on to a new page. Okay, we want to find f of 1 over a.